Hi everyone, this is about my Rubik's Cube. I can solve it about 3 minutes. But what I'm really excited about is I finally got the stand. It says Rubik's on it right here. So, here you go right there. See it pretty good. Hold it like this. Sit it in there. And take a look. Good stand. And then you got the Rubik symbol right here. And I just got this piece and I'm really excited about it because now, you know, it just goes with the cube. And I just wanted to share that with you. Thanks for watching for the Rubik's Cube holder. That's what I'm calling it. Rubik's Cube holder.